Okay, I haven't been recording for a while. It's because my stalk system broke. And when I was doing that Port Nolloth stretch, I was sort of just holding it with my left hand, taking it out, but I changed my mind. It's just too risky if something goes wrong. I need both hands. So now I've got it with a different clampy bulldog thing just on my visor screen, which is not really a good solution, permanent, as a ongoing thing. Why this mic is now, let me just, hold on, this mic's decided to do something. It's just on the wrong way, sorry. So it's not, I need to fix that stalk. The Joby stick is kind of broken or something. Anyway, this is the route in. I'm not going to film too much now. This is the route into Citrusdal. Over there, but that mountain up ahead is what I'm going over, so we'll switch on just now.